These are the savings that you can achieve using Wi-Fi Bank. So £200 per month with the right banking app for your startup, £2,400 per annum, annual savings £2,400. So when you compare traditional bank fees, you need to understand the costs of business bank account. Um, how £8.50 a month fees for a bank account can add up quickly for startups, and then you've got transaction fees as well. So this is a traditional high street bank. And then we've got transaction fees explained, understanding the costs behind transaction fees for businesses today. If you get free transactions, such as you do with Wi-Fi Bank, then the savings can add up quickly. Cash deposit fees, understanding costs associated with cash deposits for businesses. Every time you deposit cash for the business, the bank is going to charge you 0.7 pence pounds per £100 deposit. And then we've got international payment fees, understanding the cost of transferring money internationally to suppliers. International payments can incur high fees, £15 to £30 per transfer, which can mount up quickly. Overdraft fees, understanding the costs associated with overdraft fees for businesses. Fees can significantly increase expenses, impacting cash flow. And then hidden costs, understanding the unseen fees that can impact your business. So banks can impose one-off charges that can significantly impact your cash flow. Foreign exchange markup, understanding hidden costs on international payments for small businesses. Traditional banks charge 3 to 4% more on foreign exchanges, impacting your cash flow. Addressing trust issues, recognizing viewer skepticism about banking apps and online banking. Answer concerns about online safety of transactions. You just need to be sure that your funds are secure. No jargon, just banking. So this is Wi-Fi Bank. It's a straightforward bank. Everything is linked using blockchain. There are no confusing fees or hidden agendas. It's a straightforward bank with very low fees. So traditional bank versus Wi-Fi is how you can actually cut your fees by 80% using Wi-Fi versus a traditional bank, saving you considerable costs. The app fee structure, the straightforward fees of this banking app are designed for startups. So we're into low fees on an easily managed basis, no hidden costs, making banking simple. Who's it best for? Targeting entrepreneurs and small business owners. Anyone who wants to save money and bank on a budget. It's ideal for startups seeking to reduce costs and improve cash flow. Success stories. Real savings from users of the Wi-Fi app revealed. Startup owners saved £2,400 per annum by using Wi-Fi banking app successfully. Summary of savings. Discover how switching saved £2,400 per annum. So switching from high street bank to Wi-Fi bank. Call to action, subscribe to Wi-Fi Bank, and you'll see how easy it is to use. And then let's connect, and we'll show you our contact details here. And you can sign up using the QR code on the end screen. So look forward to seeing you on Wi-Fi Bank in due course.